Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna talk about top end function. Already I have discussed in many videos rank X plus combination of top end. So please try to watch all my previous videos so you'll get more clarity, more understanding. So I have discussed different scenarios, different scenarios with the different examples. Around 13-14 videos I have discussed only rank X and top end function. So now we'll go to the Power BI desktop. There you can understand the today's video demo. So for timing, already I have designed the report, so I'm gonna explain each and every step what I've done here. So before getting the details of the report, let me explain what are the tables I have imported for designing this report. And now we'll go to the category, customer, date, geography, internet sales, product, sales territory, subcategory. So these are the tables I have imported from the Excel, and also we'll try to understand what is select rank. So I have created a separate table for getting this slicer. Okay, I will try to show what it is. So click on column tab, so click on select rank. Now you can see that we have number ranking. So why I need two columns? Because sometimes while doing sorting like a top 3 or top 10, so it's not coming in proper order. So that is the reason by taking this column help, so I will sort based on the requirement, like whether it is ascending or descending order, we can do that. So that is the reason I have created this number column. Now we'll try to understand what kind of relationship I have established between the dimension tables and fact tables. So understanding relationship, it's very important in Power BI. Now we'll go to the model, so click on here, so just collapse these two, try to scroll down a little bit. So now we can see that already I have established the relationship between these dimension tables and fact tables. For example, if I place the mouse over here, we can see that based on this key, we have established the relationship between the dimension tables and fact tables. So understanding, so the filter propagation is like one direction to many direction. It means that from the dimension table to the fact table, the filter propagation it will find. So likewise I have established the relationship for the other tables also. Now we'll go to the report. Now I'll try to explain. So here we have year. Okay, so this is the top slicer, so like top 3, top 5, top 10, something like that. So here what I'm doing, this is the table visual. So if you see here, I have subcategory. So with respect to subcategory, this is the total sales. So I'm just calculating that each subcategory wise I want to see the top 3 product sales, or top 5 product sales, or top 7 product sales, or top 10. Based on the slices selection, I'm just calculating the top end product sales each subcategory wise. Okay, each subcategory wise. So I'll try to take the snipping. So here okay, so we have subcategories. This is the subcategory bike stands, bike rocks. So this is the subcategory sales. But in this measure, I'm calculating the top end product sales for each subcategory wise. Top end. So based on the slicer selection, so whether it is top 3, top 5, top 7, top 10, based on the top end selection, I'm calculating the top end product sales each subcategory wise. But if you notice here, we can see the same result. Even though I'm calculating top 3 product sales for each subcategory wise, we can see that same sales, right? Most of the cases. But now we can see the difference here. Why? Because why it's not why it is same for some of the subcategories, why it is not same for some of the subcategories means because these subcategories we have only one product. For example, these subcategories we have only one product, that is the reason we are able to see the same sales. So if you want to know whether it is giving correct result or I mean not correct, so try to verify that bike racks. Now I'll check bike racks. So what single product only. Now I'll check for another also. Bike stands and bottle and cages. Bike stands, one product, one product. Three, see, three means usually get the by default three means same area. Even caps one only. But so in here we'll try to understand road bikes first. Road bikes or mountain bikes, we'll try to see. Road bikes or mountain bikes. Road bikes. Just now we can see the for the road bike subcategory we have many products, right? So out of many products we are taking only the top three most performant products. So by summing that we will get the this value, mountain bikes or something, whatever it is. So likewise I have designed the report. So for example, if I click on top 5, now you will see the difference here, but these are we don't see any difference, but so here we can see the difference 7634, right? Now I'll click, see 1029. Now you can see 13. So based on this selection we are calculating the top end product sales for each subcategory wise. Even you can click on here also, based on the year selection also we can check. In 2004 I want to see the so top 5 product sales each subcategory wise. In 2004 I want to see the top 5 product sales each subcategory wise. Like that we can design the report. So easily you can understand the data and make a decision. Okay, so this product is doing well in the respective subcategory, in the respective year, like that. So we can analyze the data based on these reports like that. So we'll try to go to the measures. So total sales, I'll try to zoom it. So now we can see by using calculate sum x, I'm calculating the total sales. So top product sales. So here I am, so I have declared one variable, this one. So whatever the selection I am done, so I am taking to this variable, and also I have declared another variable sales. Here I am just calculating the top end product sales, finally returning this variable. So I hope you like this video. So if you have any questions or queries, you can send me an email or drop your comments in the comment section so that I'll try to reply as soon as possible. So please subscribe my channel. So if you like my videos, you can share it with friends, colleagues. So that's all. Thanks so much for watching.